Hello everyone, Dr. is here with Chiro for All. Today I wanted to get in touch with this topic of maintenance. And I'm feeling great and I don't need to come back. When I need you, I will be coming back. Well, I'm really happy and I'm really great that you guys are not in a pain. Your neck pain, lower back pain, or any pain that you came in the first visit are gone right now. But the whole point of chiropractic is preventive care. So we are different from other medical perspective is we don't want to get you to concept of when you get into the pain and you come and see me again. It's the same thing as you take your car to the mechanic so he or she can check the engine, change the oil, and get everything back into the routine. So one day that you are driving your car, it doesn't stop. It's the same thing with your spine and your nervous system. We are maintaining whatever we established in the first few weeks or months of your care, so those pain doesn't come back again. So we are preventing. It's the same thing as maintenance in your car, or same thing you maintaining your brushing your teeth. So whenever your teeth are feeling good, you don't stop brushing. You keep brushing, so you don't have to be in keep going with the cavities or like a pain or anything like that. So I definitely want to see you guys again in the office. Get your care going. Keep continue getting your adjustments, and be sure to share with your family and friends. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.